well, you're not helping me make better business decisions.
Exactly, yes. So let us build the project on your money.
Yeah. So one of the things, and particularly the cone of uncertainty I think is really fascinating, is that the distance, time or effort, I'm not sure what it is yet, but I'm still pondering that. Maybe Steve, you have some insights on this. But the distance between when I'm making the estimate and when the done thing is seems to help drive the width. If I'm doing a 5-minute drive, I will have a narrow cone at the beginning than if I'm doing a 50-minute drive, more than I'm doing a 2-day drive, more than I'm doing a 1-week drive. Right? I mean, that just makes obvious sense. When I will land in Mesquite, Missouri from Seattle is harder to predict to the minute.
Missouri?
I don't know. I have no idea where I'm going. I was making up words. I wanted to get further away than Nevada.
You're going to be late, Earl.
Yeah. So I wanted to go because for the listeners, Mark lives in a town called Mesquite, Nevada.
Not Texas.
Not Texas. Not Utah, though he's close to Utah too, but not Missouri. So, but the distance between when I make this estimate, and when the end thing I'm trying to estimate is, the further they're apart, the wider my cone seems to get. That distance and time have a bigger thing. So if you want to have something more narrow in cone, you can also say, I got one change you can make is, how do I shorten my increments? And again, this is the agile trick that says, well, we can make them really short. So for that short increment, I don't have a lot of issue. So if you're doing releases, instead of doing every 2-year releases, instead of doing twice a year release, do a quarter release. You're going to have probably a lower amount of uncertainty in a quarter release process than a biannual process.
Right.
Yes, but the data, you're just arguing here that the data shows it's all relative.
Right. The distance drives it. I mean, I guess if I was I'd have to be really sick to have a 2-week sprint and then have a cone that's like, we can do anywhere between 1 point and 4,000 points, but we don't know until we're halfway through the sprint. It's like, you guys got to be really messed up.
I can potentially see a project being that messed